Okay, friends, here's a game we're going to play. It's called Race You to 20 Cents. Now, I'm going to play against you today. You could play this game at home. I know you don't have the spinner, but you could take 4 pieces of paper, cut 4 small pieces, and on one, you could put 3 pennies. On another one, you could put 2 pennies. On another one, you could put 1 penny. And then on another one, you could put a nickel. And then for the 10 frames, you could draw them on your whiteboard or you could draw them on a piece of paper. And each person, there's 2 people that play. So one person would get 2 10 frames. And the other person would get 2 10 frames. And then you could draw your cards with pennies or your nickel on there. And then in your 10 frames, you could put pennies if you have some, or you could pick out some very small toys that you have. Maybe you have some really small Legos that would fit on your 10 frame. You could use that as well. So today, I'm going to be on this side of the board. And KRB, the class, is going to be on this side of the board. So let's see. We'll start. I'm going to spin it here. And I got 2 pennies. Remember, 1 penny is worth 1 cent. So 2 pennies is worth how much? Yeah, 2 cents. So I'm going to drag a couple of my pennies over here. So now I have 2 cents. So now I'm going to spin for you. Let's see what the class gets. Ooh, you got 1 nickel. Now think about how much a nickel is worth. Yes, it's worth 5 cents. So I'm going to drag 5 pennies over. If you're playing at home, you can be putting 5 of your little toys, your little Legos on your 10 frames. There's 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just for the record, I'm going to write B for Bacchum over here. And I'm going to put C for class over here. All right. All right, now it's my turn. Whoops, I just lost the B and the C. We'll remember that. Ooh, it looks like it's on the line. We have to spin again. Oh, this time I got a nickel. Think how much a nickel is worth. 5 cents. So I get to pull 5 pennies over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I have lots of pennies now. I want to fill in all of my 10 frames without going over. All right, now it's the class's turn. Let's see. Ooh, you got 1 penny. Ooh, it's a close game. 1 penny there. So how many pennies do you have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. All right, it's my turn again. Here we go. Ooh, I got another nickel. Remember, how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. I get to pull 5 pennies over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now think, how many more does Mrs. Backham need to win the game? I'm going to count the empty boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only need 8 more cents. All right, it's the class's turn. Get ready. Here we go. Oh, you got 2 pennies. I'm going to pull 2 pennies over. 1, 2. There's 2 pennies. How many more do you need to get to 10 cents? Yes, 2 more pennies. Look, there's 2 empty boxes. 8 and 2 more equals 10. Okay, it's my turn. Look, I need 8 pennies. Let's see what I can get this time. Oh, I got another nickel. 5 pennies, 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, how many more does Mrs. Bockham need to win the game? 1, 2, 3. I need 3 cents. All right, let's see what the class gets over here. Ooh, you got 2 pennies. That filled in that first 10 frame. 1, 2. How many more do you need to win the game? Yes, you need 10 cents. Now remember, when Mrs. Bockham takes her turn, I can only get 1 or 2 or 3. I cannot get another nickel. I will not be able to take my turn because that will be too many. All right, let's see what I get. Oh, I got 1. So I can put 1 penny in. All right, let's see what you get. Oh, you got 5 cents. Wow. We can fill in that top row there. That's pretty cool. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many more do you need? Yes, you need 5 more cents. Okay, let's see what I get. Look, I can only get a 1 or a 2. Oh, I got a nickel. I can't do anything. Let's see what you get this time. Get ready. Ooh, you got 5 cents. You just won the game. Look at that, my friends. Good for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, this is a game that you can play at home, so you let me know if you get to play it. All right? So, listening to hear if you've played it with someone at home.